Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'll be talking about this AI that has been trending for the past few months. Now I'm certain that some of you are aware of ChatGPT while some of you might not be. So if you're interested in knowing the capabilities and possibilities while using this AI, stick around for the rest of the video. So first things first, you need to launch Chrome or any other web browser, after which you need to tap on the first link that pops up. So once you do that, you'll be prompted to either sign in or sign up. So you need to sign up if you don't already have an account, and you would need to select the Gmail that you want to be associated with ChatGPT, and once you do that, you'd be met with this interface right here. Now, ChatGPT has been booming for the past few months simply because of the exceptional work that it can do. And it can pretty much provide you with any information you want. So for example, some things you could search for is quantum computing in simple terms. You could get some creative ideas for a birthday party or an anniversary. Some of its capabilities are that it remembers what users said earlier in the conversation. It allows users to provide follow-up corrections. If you made an error in the first part, you could go ahead and correct those errors. So like anything else, ChatGPT has its limitations, so it may occasionally generate incorrect information, and it may occasionally produce harmful instruction or biased content. Now once you tap on the three dots in the top left hand corner, you'd be able to see your history. So basically everything that you search for while using ChatGPT. And you also have the option to upgrade to Plus. So you simply need to tap on upgrade to Plus, and that would be 20 USD per month. So it's available, even when demand is high, faster response speed, priority access to new feature. So the plan that I'm currently using is the free plan, which anybody can access without paying for it. So it's available when demand is low, standard response speed, and regular model updates. So if you wanted the faster response time and so on, you could go ahead and upgrade for only 20 USD per month. Now let's take ChatGPT out for a test run. So for example, if you wanted to know how you could go ahead and start a YouTube channel, you could simply type in how to start a YouTube channel, and this AI would provide you with some solid proof points on how you would go ahead and start your YouTube channel. You could even use it to help you to find content that you want to put out on your YouTube channel. And as I said earlier, whatever it gives you would be solid points and useful information. So I simply typed in how to start a YouTube channel, and it pretty much gave me 8 points. But if you wanted, for example, 15 points, you could go ahead and start and type 15 ways to start a YouTube channel, and it would provide you with 15 ways in which you could go ahead and start your YouTube channel today. And it is not limited only to giving you information like this. You could actually go ahead and find factual information. But here are some of the points that it gave me. Identify your niche and target audience. Choose a channel name. Create a Google account. Customize your channel. And so on. And as I said earlier, these are pretty solid points that you could go ahead and use to start your channel today. So this is pretty much ChatGPT. It can do so much more. And to be honest, I think it's one of the best AIs that I've seen so far. So you could go ahead and take a look at ChatGPT and just have fun with all the capabilities of it. And that is pretty much the end of the video. So if you guys found this video useful or informative, go ahead and click that subscribe button, like, and leave a comment. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.